Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, people. Once again, we are back with another Python programming problem today. Today our topic is going to be on tuples. Tuples, okay. So at first, I would like to give a basic format of this tuple because this tuple is going to be a key role in data structures and algorithms. So just stay tuned with the basics, and then I will carry it upon with an proper example. Okay. So generally, what are these tuples? Tuples are very much similar with the list, and the major difference between them is tuples are immutable. Okay, so what is meant by immutable? Immutable means unchangeable, which is not at all changed, but the list is an immutable thing. For example, you take a list 1 2 3 4 and you would like to add one more item called 100, so you use append function, right? Uh, Similarly, you can use append function, pop-up function in list, which means it is changing its list value. Okay, at first you are giving one, just first you are giving 1 2 3 4 5, and using append function you are adding one more item. For example, take 100 in that. Okay, that means using append function you changed it, right? So lists are changeable, but when it comes to tuple, it is not at all changeable. You cannot use append function, pop-up function in that. So it is immutable. Okay, and tuples are nothing but it stores multiple items in a single variable. Stores okay, stores multiple data in a single variable. Okay, it is very much similar to the list. Yes, list also stores a multiple item in that, and tuples also stores a multiple items in a single variable. And tuples are represented by round brackets. Okay, and when it comes to point 4, tuples allow duplicate values in that. Okay, tuples allow duplicate values in that. So what do you mean by duplicate values? So for example, we have a tuple like 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 3 comma 4 comma 4. Okay, so see here, 3 is repeated 2 times and 4 is repeated 2 times, right? So the repeated value 3 is a duplicate value of the initial 3, and repeated 4 is a duplicate value of the first one. Okay, so that is meant by the duplicate values. And when it comes to point 5, it is tuple is appreciated with float, int, boolean, string format. Yeah, you can use any of this data type in tuples. Tuple will not throw any error if you use any of this. Okay, and this is about the basic format of the tuples. Just remember these points during your code related to the tuples or the list. Okay, because these are basics and which makes a remarkable change in your code. So I'll repeat these points again. Tuples are immutable, that is it is not at all changeable, and it stores a multiple items multiples multiple items or data in a single variable. Okay, and it is represented by round brackets, and it allows duplicate values, and you can use float, int, boolean, and string in that. So this is a basic basics of the tuple, and let's enter into our question today. What is the output of the following code? I'll be typing the code, you just stay tuned with that and focus it properly. Tuple. and here we're gonna initiate a variable called sum, so its value is 0 at initial, and I'm gonna apply for condition here for k in tuple sum will be incremented to tuple k. Okay, and I would like to print the value of length of tuple. As I said, tuple will be allowing length to find length, and then the sum. Okay, so this is your code today, guys, and for your kind information, don't do any syntax mistakes, because of a small syntax mistake to your whole code will be going wrong. Okay, so just be careful at your syntax. Okay, so this is your code. uh, find out your answer and comment in my comment section what answer you got. I'll be giving you 5 seconds. Pause the video and figure out the output for this. Yeah, so it's 3 2 1, and I'm running the code. Okay, sorry, it's not comma, it's plus here, my bad. I'm running the code again. Yeah, we got 313, right? Yeah, I'll explain you that. At first, remove this sum. Okay, for your clarification, I'm removing this sum, and I would like to know the length of the tuple. Okay, see, we got the length of the tuple as 3. Okay, see, because this tuple value is 83. Okay, let us assume that this is tuple 1. Okay, 1 whose value is 83, and when comes to this tuple whose value is 1 or 2, right? So t is equal to 1 or 2, and this one, that is tuple 3 whose value is 105, right? So want to if you would like to have know the length of this tuple, it is of course 3, right? It is 1, it is 2, it is 3. For suppose if you remove this and you would like to find the length, of course you're gonna get the length as 2. See, we got the length as 2. Okay, yeah, 3, because we have 3 values here, so the length would be 3. And when it comes to sum, just you figure out, you just do the addition of these 3 tuples, tuple 1 plus tuple 2 plus tuple 3. What you gonna get? You're gonna get 310. Okay, okay, let's calculate that for your clarification. Yeah, see what values we have here: 83 plus not 2 plus 125, right? See, we got 310, right? So here sum. Okay, the length would be 3, and when you add this, see, for k in tuple, sum would be incremented by the tuple in k. So a variable k in the tuples. See, at initial we gave a empty tuple. Okay, so a variable k which is present among them this, so that k would be equals to sum of tuple into k. Okay, so just find the sum of these three. You got 310. So 310 plus length of the tuple would be 3, right? So 310 plus 3, that would be equals to 313. Yeah, it's that simple, guys. Yeah, so this is all about today's code.